Java and Python are two of the most powerful and widely used programming languages in the world today. But which one should you learn first? Let's explore their key differences to help you decide. Java is a high-level, object-oriented language known for its reliability, performance, and scalability. It powers everything from Android apps to complex enterprise systems. Its structured syntax lays a strong foundation for building robust and secure applications, especially for large-scale development. Java is the preferred choice for back-end systems in banking, insurance, and enterprise environments. Python, on the other hand, is beloved for its simplicity and readability. It's an excellent first language for beginners and dominates fields like data science, artificial intelligence, and web development. With powerful libraries like TensorFlow, Pandas, and Django, Python is ideal for quick development cycles, automation, and machine learning applications. Both languages offer strong community support, high job demand, and long-term career growth. If you are aiming for enterprise or Android development, start with Java. If you're drawn to AI, automation, or data science, Python is your go-to language. Choose one based on your goals and remember, mastering both can make you a versatile and in-demand developer in today's tech landscape.